Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really important, especially if you want to grow your money smartly and safely. We'll go through the 10 best investment apps for beginners in 2025. Each of these apps is perfect for people who are new to investing. Some are great for passive income, others for learning, and some even let you copy successful investors. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's dive into the top 10 apps that can help you start your investment journey this year. Let's start with Robinhood, one of the most popular apps for beginner investors. Robinhood offers commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. Its interface is clean and very easy to use, which makes it great for someone just starting out. But be careful. It can make investing feel like a game, and that's risky. Use it if you want to learn by buying and selling small amounts. Avoid day trading unless you understand the risks. Robinhood is a pioneer in commission-free trading. With zero fees on stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, it's no wonder millions of beginners start here. Pros: clean, user-friendly interface. No account minimum. Real-time market data. Cons: limited research tools encourages frequent trading, which can be risky for beginners. Tip: use Robinhood if you want to learn by doing, but avoid day trading unless you fully understand the risks. Next is Acorns, the best app if you want to invest without thinking about it. Every time you buy something with your debit card, Acorns rounds it up and invests the spare change for you. You can also set up automatic daily, weekly, or monthly deposits. It's perfect for passive investors and people who are busy. Use it if you want investing to be automatic and simple. Acorns is all about passive investing. It rounds up your daily purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change automatically. Pros: set it and forget it system. Automatic portfolio management includes retirement and checking accounts. Cons: monthly fees can add up if your balance is small. Limited investment customization. Tip: Acorns is perfect if you're busy and want to build wealth slowly without lifting a finger. Stash is great if you want to learn about investing while doing it. It lets you invest in small pieces of big companies and also offers educational content inside the app. You can start with just $5, and it even gives you a debit card with rewards. Use it if you want to understand where your money is going and learn as you invest. Stash helps you invest based on your interests, like clean energy, tech, or real estate. It's a mix of investing and education. Pros: start with just $5. Offers fractional shares, built-in learning tools. Cons: subscription fee, limited portfolio management tools. Tip: great for beginners who want to understand what they're investing in. eToro is all about social investing. You can follow and copy the moves of professional investors with just one click. This is great if you're not sure what to invest in yet. It also offers crypto, stocks, and more. Use it if you want to learn by watching the pros, or you want to copy expert investors. eToro is ideal for social investors. You can see what top investors are doing and even copy their trades automatically. Pros: copy trading feature, global stocks, and crypto beginner-friendly interface. Cons: not available in every country, higher spreads on trades. Tip: follow consistent, low-risk traders if you're just starting out. Fidelity is a traditional investing company, but their app is beginner-friendly. You get zero commission trades, great customer service, and a huge library of educational resources. Fidelity is also very secure and reliable. Use it if you want to build your long-term investments with a trusted platform. Fidelity is a well-established name with top-tier security and research tools. It's surprisingly beginner-friendly too. Pros: zero commission trades. Excellent customer service. Great for long-term investing. Cons. Interface isn't as flashy as newer apps. Too many options can overwhelm beginners. Tip. Fidelity is a great choice if you want to grow with the same platform for years. Webull is like the big brother of Robinhood. It also offers free trades but gives you advanced charts and data tools. This is good if you're a beginner now but want to get more technical later. Use it if you want to go deeper into investing and learn how to read charts and graphs. Webull is for beginners who want to get a little more technical. It offers detailed charts and indicators, all without commission fees. Pros: advanced tools. Paper trading available crypto support. Cons: not as educational, can feel overwhelming at first. Tip: use Webull if you're curious about technical analysis and want to practice first. M1. Finance is for investors who love automation. You build a portfolio, called a pie, and M1 will invest your money into your chosen stocks or ETFs and keep it balanced automatically. Use it if you want to choose what you invest in, but you don't want to manage it every day. M1. Finance lets you build a custom portfolio and automates everything. You choose what to invest in, and the app keeps it balanced over time. Pros: automation equals less stress. Fractional shares. No management fees. Cons: no real-time trading requires discipline to avoid tweaking your pie too much. Tip: best for goal-based investors who want simplicity and control. SoFi Invest is a modern all-in-one platform. You can invest, save money, get loans, and even talk to financial advisors, all inside one app. It also offers free financial planning. Use it if you want a full money management app that includes investing and more. SoFi is more than just an investing app. It's an all-in-one money platform. You can invest, borrow, save, and even talk to a human advisor. Pros: free financial planning. Crypto plus stock. Investing. Extra member benefits. Cons: limited investing tools compared to others. Customer service varies. Tip: ideal if you're looking for a bank plus investing combo in one app. Betterment is a robo-advisor. That means it invests your money automatically based on your goals. You answer a few questions, and Betterment does the rest, rebalancing your portfolio and reducing taxes. Use it if you don't want to pick stocks and just want your money to grow long-term. Betterment is a robo-advisor. That means it invests your money automatically based on your goals. You answer a few questions, and Betterment does the rest, rebalancing your portfolio and reducing taxes. Use it if you don't want to pick stocks and just want your money to grow long-term. Betterment is the ultimate robo-advisor. It builds a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance, then rebalances automatically. Pros: hands-off investing. Great retirement tools. Tax loss. Harvesting available. Cons: no control over individual stocks. Management fees, 0.25%. Tip: choose Betterment if you want to invest smartly, with almost zero effort. Public is like social media for investing. You can follow other users, see their portfolios, and learn from the community. It also has great educational content and lets you invest in fractional shares. Use it if you like learning with others and want a friendly investing community. Public is like social media for investing. You can follow other users, see their portfolios, and learn from the community. It also has great educational content and lets you invest in fractional shares. Use it if you like learning with others and want a friendly investing community. Public makes investing social and educational. You can follow other users, learn from their moves, and share your thoughts too. Pros: no minimums. Fractional shares. Transparent community. Cons: Limited advanced features. Less privacy. Tip: great for Gen Z investors who want to learn with others and stay inspired. Public makes investing social and educational. You can follow other users, learn from their moves, and share your thoughts too. Pros: no minimums. Fractional shares. Transparent community. Cons: limited advanced features. Less privacy. Tip: great for Gen Z investors who want to learn with others and stay inspired. So there you have it. 10 of the best investing apps for beginners in 2025. Each one has its strengths. Whether you're a passive saver, a curious learner, or a future investing pro, which one sounds right for you? Drop your pick in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and remember, start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. See you next time.